Understanding credit doesn't have to be hard. If you want to educate yourself on the basics of credit, NHSIE is here to help you learn more. So, what is credit? Why does credit matter? And what is a credit report? Credit refers to your ability to borrow and the amount you borrow. So, why does having credit matter? Credit allows you to make large purchases and pay them off over time. This can be helpful for purchasing items such as a car. Credit can also affect your ability to obtain employment, housing, and insurance. Landlords and potential employers may look at your credit to assess how financially responsible you are. So, what is a credit report? A credit report is a record of your credit history compiled from various sources. To obtain a free annual credit report, visit www.annualcreditreport.com. Explore our credit video series to learn more. For additional information, check out NHSIE's other videos and visit nhsie.org.